Welcome to my channel, where today we're stepping into the future of luxury travel. The $10 million BMW Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a living masterpiece on wheels. BMW has taken elegance, technology, and power to a level that will leave you speechless. Imagine a motorhome that feels like a private jet, drives like a supercar, and pampers you like a five-star penthouse. Every inch of this masterpiece redefines what road luxury truly means. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will completely change the way you think about travel. The 2025 BMW Motorhome isn't just designed to move, it's designed to make a statement. The exterior alone screams power and prestige. Sleek curves, futuristic LED lighting, and a signature BMW kidney grille that glows in motion. Its body is crafted from lightweight carbon composite materials for maximum efficiency, while the adaptive suspension ensures a ride smoother than any luxury sedan. And under the hood, a hybrid twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors, delivering over 1,000 horsepower. It's not just luxury, it's dominance on the open road. But the true magic lies inside. Let's step in and explore the world BMW has created. Within this extraordinary motorhome, let's start with the kitchen, the beating heart of the BMW motorhome's luxury interior. Designed with precision and elegance, this kitchen brings Michelin star-style dining to the road. It features an induction stove that slides seamlessly into the counter when not in use, a hidden convection oven, and a smart refrigerator that automatically adjusts cooling zones for each food type. The marble countertops are backlit with ambient LED lights, giving the whole space a futuristic glow. Every cabinet is motion sensor activated, and the entire setup can be controlled through BMW's iDrive system or your voice. From a fresh espresso in the morning to a gourmet dinner at night, everything happens here in flawless style. It's not just a kitchen, it's a culinary control center. Moving on to the bedroom. This is where BMW's signature comfort philosophy truly shines. The bedroom features a floating king-size bed with memory gel technology that adjusts to your posture. Hidden beneath are retractable drawers for seamless storage. The walls are wrapped in acoustic leather panels for a quiet, peaceful sleep. And soft, mood-responsive lighting sets the tone for pure relaxation. A panoramic ceiling window above the bed lets you gaze at the stars, while the temperature and humidity adjust automatically for perfect comfort. There's even a 70-inch hidden OLED display that appears at the foot of the bed with a single voice command. This is not just a place to sleep. It's a personal retreat that moves wherever you go. Now, let's step into the drawing room. A masterpiece of design and technology combined. This space feels more like a luxury penthouse lounge than a motorhome interior. The seating area features ultra-soft Italian leather recliners that rotate and extend automatically. A massive curved OLED screen dominates the wall, paired with a 3D sound system that delivers cinema-level audio. There's a glass coffee table that doubles as a touchscreen control panel, allowing you to adjust lighting, blinds, or even order food through BMW's connected system. The walls are wrapped in ambient LED strips that shift color based on time of day or mood. Whether you're hosting friends, watching a movie, or just cruising through the mountains, this lounge is pure sophistication on wheels. And now, the bathroom. The ultimate definition of mobile luxury. Step inside, and you'll find a full spa experience waiting for you. The rainfall shower is lined with smart glass that can turn transparent or opaque with a touch. The vanity features heated mirrors, a digital faucet system, and stone countertops that radiate warmth. The floors are temperature-controlled, and even the towels are automatically warmed. There's a built-in fragrance diffuser and a surround sound system that plays soft ambient music. The design language is pure BMW, clean, modern, and seamlessly functional. You'd never believe this was inside a vehicle. Finally, let's talk about the evolution. The upcoming 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW plans to take everything you see here and push it even further with AI-assisted driving, solar recharging roofs, and even more sustainable materials. The new version is rumored to have autonomous highway mode, voice-guided interior customization, and a modular layout that transforms based on your needs, from business suite to family retreat. The future of motorhomes isn't just coming, BMW is driving it. So, what do you think? Would you take your adventures on the road in this $10 million BMW motorhome? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because next time, we'll be taking you inside the most futuristic motorhome BMW has ever built.